All right, number 8. This is the Manufacturing Excellence Award. Ladies and gentlemen, the nominees are Bold Pearl Pty Ltd, Borotho Bakery Enterprise, and Cool Crew Pty Ltd. Please can we get the envelope to announce the winner? Ladies and gentlemen, please can I get a drum roll, table roll? And the winner for the Manufacturing Excellence Award is Borotho Bakery Enterprise. Our winner is putting on his blazer. He's coming to the front. As he's coming to the front, let's put our hands together, ladies and gentlemen. This is the winner for the Manufacturing Excellence Award.
Sanbonani, I'm humbled to be here. I'm even amazed I got this far. We are the company that is heavily affected by load shedding. To cut long story short, we had to cut about 25 people being in Spanana, hired 30. It's very bad for the economy, for small business. Come here and celebrate, give me a mental stimulation that there's still a hope and there's a future, but it's not easy. Running these businesses, looking at the current economy, we can't lie to one another. But thank you for the platform again. Yeah, thank you.